Your ego is insane. Get away from my car, please.
Next time.
Please get away from my car.
Okay.
Please get away from my car.
Are you listening how to fix your
Please get
insurance?
away from my car. Why did you just open my car door? You don't touch somebody's car door.
Are you listening to what I'm telling you?
I'm listening. I just don't care. No, I don't like cops.
The amount of nervous that you are right
I don't
now.
like you.
But did you go to law school?
Did you?
I didn't. But
You can open somebody's car door without their consent.
Yes.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On February 5th of 2025, Ellis County Audits was involved in a minor collision in a restaurant's drive-thru lane that did not cause damage to either vehicle. The Red Oak Police Department were dispatched to the scene. The driver provided his necessary documents to the officer, T. Rawls, through the passenger window. Officer Rawls requested that the driver roll their window all the way down, despite it already being lowered several inches, and had already allowed for open communication and the exchange of documents. However, when the driver refused to roll the window down, Officer Rawls opened the passenger door. It was at this point that the driver began recording.
Why did you just open my car door?
Because you were involved in an accident.
Right, but that's an unlawful touch. Like you
No,
don't.
it's not.
We can communicate without you opening my
I
car
asked you to
door.
roll down your window. You didn't roll down your windows before I opened your door.
We can communicate through. No, ma'am. You do not touch somebody's car door.
Okay.
Give me my stuff, please. Thank you.
No.
You don't touch somebody's car door.
Okay.
With that.
Listen,
I
I'm
haven't
trying
committed
to be
a crime,
nice.
have I?
Yes, you have. You're operating a motor vehicle without insurance, and you just got in a crash.
Okay.
So, you have to be able to prove insurance.
And you
at
have
the
to
time.
have a reason to open somebody's car door.
Yes, I do. I'm conducting an
No,
investigation.
ma'am. That was
and I'm
unlawful.
talking to
That
you.
was unlawful. I'm filing a
I'm
complaint.
sorry. That's fine. You can talk to my sergeant. Okay.
T rolls.
T
badge
rolls.
number.
That's me. It's on the form I'm about to give
All right.
you. Okay.
That was very inappropriate and
That's
unprofessional.
fine. I'm sorry you feel that way. Listen to me. Contact your insurance.
Okay. Next time.
I can tell you've got something going on other than this.
No, I don't like cops.
The amount of nervous that you are right now.
I don't like you.
That's fine. I don't care if you don't like me. I'm trying to have a nice conversation with you.
We could have had that conversation. I was fine until you opened my car door.
Listen.
You don't open somebody's car door without consent.
Next time, I don't have to have consent.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Time,
You don't need consent to open somebody's car door?
Next time, you will receive a citation if you are involved in an accident and you cannot prove insurance. You need to call your insurance company.
That's fine.
And tell them, hey, you're not reporting my insurance to the state. When the cop checked my stuff, it's coming up unconfirmed.
So you don't need consent to opening somebody's car door?
Are you listening to what I'm telling you?
I'm listening. I just don't care.
Because next time, you don't care that you're showing not to have insurance and you just got in an accident?
I'm going to fix that.
Because you need to have insurance
I'm more worried about why an officer would open somebody's car door without consent.
Because I'm trying to talk to you and I'm trying to have an investigation. I'm not talking to you through that.
You don't have to. It's not your choice.
So
it's my car. You don't touch
choice.
my car. You do not touch somebody's vehicle property without their consent. No, you cannot. No, you cannot.
Okay.
No, you
I'm
cannot.
Sorry you feel that way.
No, you cannot. So you can open somebody's car door without their consent.
Yes.
The Fourth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, which protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, provides strict limitations for law enforcement, and there are very few circumstances in which they have a legal justification to open your vehicle's door. In most jurisdictions, during a routine traffic incident, an officer can ask that you roll your window all the way down, but you have the right to keep it partially opened if you prefer. However, the courts have held that if the officer believes that there is a risk of safety, or has reasonable suspicion that criminal activity is taking place, they would then be allowed to open the door. The same principle applies if the officer has probable cause to believe that a crime is being committed, such as seeing an open container or illegal contraband in plain view. And finally, if there are exigent circumstances, such as an immediate need to prevent harm, destruction of evidence, or a suspect fleeing. But if there is no clear threat or evidence of a crime, the officer would need a valid warrant or your consent to proceed further.
When it's an open investigation because you just got in an accident and you don't have insurance, you're lucky you're not getting a citation, dude. He simply didn't want to report.
That's fine.
Or else you'd be getting a citation, dude. That's all I'm saying. You're actively committing an offense of operating a motor vehicle in the public and getting an accident.
I like my Fourth Amendment.
That's fine.
You don't care about the Fourth Amendment?
I'm glad that you like it. I am not entering your vehicle.
You're in it right now. I want my...
outside your vehicle. If you hit me with that door,
I'm not going to hit you with it. I would like to close my car.
Get back in your seat. Take your card.
I can do whatever I want.
Take your card.
Thank you. This is public property. Or private property. I know the owner. I'm friends with the owner.
It's still not private property.
It is. It's a private parking lot, and I know the owner.
It's a public parking lot. It's a public parking lot.
Next time, you need to
fix your insurance. Next time, fix your insurance.
Fix your knowledge of the law, please.
Okay. Did you go to law school?
Did you?
I didn't, but I went to training.
So shut up. So just shut up and get away.
Did you go to...
Can you get all away from my car, please?
Are you going to fix
your
insurance?
Can you shut your mouth and get away from my car?
No. But
can you please shut your mouth and get away from my car?
Listen to me. Put your seatbelt on. Drive away from here.
You're not in control of this.
Listen, go fix your insurance.
Ma'am.
Next time you're going to get a citation for your insurance,
Ma'am.
make sure you talk to them.
Ma'am.
Ask them why they're not reporting. Are you listening? Ask them
I don't
why
have
they're
to
not
listen to you.
Ask them why they're not reporting it
Your
to the
ego
state.
is insane. Get away from my car, please.
Next time
Please get away from my car.
Okay.
Please
Next
get away
time-
from my
Are
car.
you listening how to fix your
Please get
insurance?
away from my car.
Are you listening how to fix your insurance?
Please get away from
Okay.
my car.
If we see you operating on a roadway
Please
and you can't show proof of insurance
get
at
away
that
from my
time,
car.
you will
Please
get a
get away
citation.
from my car.
Okay?
Please get
You
away from my
understand what I
car.
told you? Just so
Yes.
you understood.
Please get away from my
Have a
car.
good day.
Learn your job, please. Learn how to do your job. Yeah, learn how to do your job, please. Not very well, you tyrant. Tyrant.
Ellis County Audits has told me that following this interaction, he filed a formal complaint, and a lieutenant reached out, giving Ellis County Audits an opportunity to prove his insurance was legitimate. The lieutenant agreed that the officer's behavior was inappropriate, noting that she was a new officer who did not understand that opening a car door is considered a search and seizure based on existing case law. It was noted that the officer would be addressed for her inappropriate opening of the car door and behavior.
You have certain protections under the Fourth Amendment against unreasonable search and seizures. And what that means for the police is, in order for them to open up your car door without consent, without your permission, they have to have a valid legal reason to be able to do so.
When officers open your door, they're expanding their plain view and conducting a search. They can now see into your door panels, under your seat, and otherwise where they couldn't.
Hello.
Hi, can't afford my credit.
How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Wait, what? What'd you say?
Not supposed to open doors like that, but yeah,
What do you mean you're not supposed to open the door?
you're not supposed to open doors.
Okay. What law is that?
Officers may order you and your passengers to get out of the car, but opening the car door itself is considered a search. This is because even a small intrusion into your vehicle can be seen as an unlawful search under the Fourth Amendment. If an officer opens your car door without a valid reason, it could lead to any evidence found being deemed inadmissible in court.
If you mind, I'm just gonna open the door for a second, okay?
What?
Just gonna open the door. I'm gonna grab the firearm, okay?
Why?
Just because I have to run it just to make sure, okay? You have any other firearms in the vehicle that I need to know about?
No, but that's, you know it's a violation, right?
Say it again.
You coming in my vehicle is a violation, you know that, right?
I'm just letting you know I'm running the serial number on the firearm.
What,
okay?
what for?
Just to make sure it aligns with the permit, okay?
Is that
And make sure it's registered to you, okay?
And you think that's legal and lawful?
Yes, sir. Are you
For
the
you to
registered
do
owner
that.
of the firearm?
I am. You're going outside of the scope for what you pulled me over. You pulled me over for 10,
Right,
then you
correct.
write me a ticket for 10.
Correct.
I showed you that I'm legally and lawfully able to do that. You opened my door, which is already a violation.
Well, I thought that the door automatically opened when I reached for it. I thought that you pushed something inside the door.
I did not. I did not give you
Okay.
consent to enter my vehicle.
Okay, my apologies. I thought that when the
No.
doorknob opened,
No.
that you opened it up for me.
That's
Get it.
incorrect.
Okay.
That's a violation, I'm
I got
telling you.
you.
You know what I'm saying? You're
Okay.
not supposed to come in my vehicle.
All
That's
right. Are
Fourth
you
Amendment.
okay with me running your serial number?
You have no reason to do that. You
Okay.
pulled me over
No
for
problem.
10, sir.
So I'm gonna put the firearm back. Are you okay with me?
Yes.
Open your door.
Now you can and put it back where it's supposed to go. There's no reason for all this.
With Trooper Smalls returning the firearm to its original location, it would be nearly impossible to argue that its seizure was for officer safety. Be sure to use the links below to check out Ellis County Audits. And while you're down there, leave me a comment to tell me what you think of this interaction. And as always, if you like this video, be sure to check out another one, linked on screen.